I've spent 20 years talking about personalization and engagement and all those sorts of things and how important it is. But when it comes to, for me, marketing personalization and sales personalization are very, very different things.
Okay.
When it comes to marketing personalization, you can talk about the broad areas that you are involved in that relate to that particular company. And sales personalization is more about that human touch, but within, and I actually prefer the word context to personalization, because actually what you're trying to understand is what's the context for that particular company. And so it's less about, and again, I think with the difference that we're seeing in the conversations we're having between the enterprise level sale and a more mass sale from still a B2B standpoint, is that need for the receiving person to feel like you understand them, understanding that they've clicked on a link or read a post or liked a post further down the sales cycle just doesn't wash. At the very beginning, it might help you to get in, but my big issue with it today is it often feels templatized, and as soon as it feels like a template, you've lost the response, unless they're really interested. And let's face it, if they're really interested, we've got them.